Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do a factory reset on your iPhone without a password. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and just jump in. There's two ways to do it. The first way is to use your computer and reset it through your computer, and then the second way is to use a separate device to go ahead and reset it through the Find My iPhone app. I'm going to show you both right now. I can't show you the connected to the computer without just showing you kind of a screenshot or this website, because you'd have to go ahead and turn off your phone and then it wouldn't be recording. But I'm going to walk you through this website. I just went to support.apple.com, and they give you a breakdown of how to reset your phone if you forgot your password or it's disabled. So here it is. If we've disabled our phone, I'm going to keep scrolling down, and it's going to say make sure that your phone isn't connected to your computer in the first place. Then you want to go ahead and then press and hold the side button, which is that power button on the right hand side, and then you have your up and down volume button. Go ahead and press the up volume button and the power button to the right at the same time, turning your phone off. Keep your fingers on both of those buttons, and then plug your computer and your phone in together. And then once you do that, you're going to keep holding that until the recovery mode goes on. Once you're there, we're going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. Then it will bring up the factory settings on your computer, and then you can go ahead and restore and back up to your computer. And so that is how you do it through the computer. I'll click on this. You can go ahead and restore it. It will bring up this message right here. And if this message does come up, hit restore, and that's going to restore your phone to the backup settings. So the thing to know about this method and the other method is that if you don't have a backup already in place, then you're going to lose all your information. So this is what that is. Go ahead and use your computer, walk through those steps, and now I'm going to jump into the method number 2. I'm going to get out of here. And I'm going to pretend I'm on a different phone, just a friend's phone or anything, and you want to go to iCloud.com. And you're going to go ahead and sign into your iCloud. Then you're going to hit Find My Phone. It's going to ask you to sign in. From there, it's going to go ahead and load. You'll be able to see all of your phones. I'm just going to go down to an old phone that I used to use or something. Once you find your phone, you hit this erase button. You'll have to put in the password, but then you hit this erase button, you say continue erase, and then wait a few minutes and your phone will completely erase. Then you can go back to your phone and reset it. It will be set up like a brand new phone, like I said before. However, if you have a backup connected to your iCloud or anything like that, you can reset it and it will back up to your phone. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.